Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to type the beta symbol in Microsoft Word. This is a handy tip if you're working with scientific or mathematical documents. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to insert the beta symbol. Now, go to the top menu and select the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the options for inserting different elements into your document. Next, look for the symbol option on the right side of the toolbar and click on it. If you can see the beta symbol right here, simply click on it, and it will be inserted into your document. But if you don't see the beta symbol in this quick list, don't worry. Just click on More Symbols at the bottom. This will open a new window with a wide variety of symbols here. Now, in the character code section at the bottom, type the code 03B2. This is the Unicode for the beta symbol. Once you've entered the code, the beta symbol will be highlighted. Click Insert to add it to your document. After inserting the symbol, you can close the Symbols window by clicking Close. And that's it, you've successfully inserted the beta symbol into your Word document. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.